Hey guys, I've received the brackets for the headlights. Let's get the bumper off, put this on, and I don't have the headlight for the driver side yet, but the headlight from the passenger side is still there, so we'll fit that on, and hopefully this will be here soon, and we'll be able to fit that as well, and the car will be almost complete. So let's get this started. So for those of you confused about what's going on, I bought a crashed Audi A5 here. The one chilling on the top right corner, yeah, that's mine. Why? Because apparently I like stress. Who don't like stress these days? Anyway, so it's my first dream project car, and I've been rebuilding it ever since. So click on the top left corner so you can catch up with the chaos, and smash the subscribe button so you don't miss out. Possibly me breaking something else next week. So the headlight bracket is held on by two T30s and two 10mm bolts, which is also connected to the bumper. So I'll have to put it on once I put the bumper in, and then I just need to connect the hoses for the. Now I'm connecting the harness for the headlight bracket. So, I don't know if it's very clear on the video. It's looking much better than before. Hopefully there's a tiny bit of dent. The body shop will be able to take care of the rest, but for now I'm happy with that. I'm just cleaning the ground wire because most of the fault codes were to do with the short circuit. So I just cleaned it and put it back on, and thankfully it actually worked. So the other day I took this off to give it a good clean, and then realized the casing on this side, the inner part was cracked and there's a hole in it. So I bought a new one, and just gonna get it changed now. So as you can see, look, there's a massive hole there, a crack there, so this one is no use. And I've got a new one to get this replaced. So it's not brand new, but it's second hand, but it's in good condition. So let's get this fitted. The last piece of the puzzle is here, the headlight finally arrived. Let's put this in and complete the build, and we can send it off to the body shop. The headlight is held on by three T30s. So now that the headlight is on, let's turn it on and see if it works. So let's see. So it works. So at this point, the audio is not back from holiday yet. All I'm doing is just changing the oil filter. So I've already changed all the oil filter and topped up with new oil. Now I'm just gonna change all the spark plugs, so let's get to it now. I need to take the coil pack out first. It's held on by one T30 there, so get that removed first. Look at that, it looks really bad. Looks like it's never been changed. I'm glad I bought some new ones. Done now. Next up, let's get the brakes changed. I'm not sure what happened, the audio didn't get recorded for some reason. So all I'm saying is, because this car has an electronic handbrake, before I change the disc and pads, I need to disengage the electronic handbrake through the OBD reader. So I need to connect a device and just disengage it that way. So you can see I've shared the screen. So step by step, it's quite straightforward. So, and then you can get the brakes changed. So when little Chief saw Daddy struggling with the brakes, he decided to come and give a hand. Working like a boss. The calipers are held on by two 13mm bolts, no big deal, and two 18mm bolts that clearly hadn't been touched since the car was born. Those things fought back like their lives depended on them. And meanwhile, the brake disc just one T27 and came off like actually wanted to be replaced, and I really appreciate that. Yeah, so the audio decided to take a day off again, but what you're seeing is I'm just using a fancy little tool to wind the caliper piston back, because apparently you can't just Hulk smash the clamps in, so you just need to wind it back in for the new brake pads to go in, so that's what I'm doing. So time to put the new disc and the pads in. I'm doing exactly what I did to remove it, but everything in reverse. So the arch liner is going in. It's just held on by a few clips and a couple of rivets. now that everything has been put together, I'm gonna start it, then take it for a drive first, and then check for the codes again. But this time I'm gonna let my son start it. Let's see if he brings in any luck and get rid of more codes. So then start it now. So time for the first drive. Let's come back and check for the codes again and see what's gone and what's still remaining. Which means wheels on, tools down. It's drive time, baby. So yeah, the audio never came back from its little holiday, but after the drive I scanned for codes and surprised 22 of them showed up. It was like a party. Cleared them all, scanned again, and happy days. Only 5 decided to stick around. Anyway, good progress, and I'm really happy with the result, and hopefully the remaining 5 I'll be able to fix it somehow. If you know anything about it, please drop a comment down below, and it'll be really helpful. And if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up. And also, one thing I noticed when I checked for statistics, more than 80% of you guys who are watching have not subscribed, so please do subscribe, which will be really helpful. And this is just the beginning, and there's a lot more to come, and on the next videos I'll start to modify the car as well. And thank you very much for watching the video again, and I'll see you in the next video.